Okay, so earlier the name is called JIRA Service Desk. So, but recently, the 1 year back, they changed the name to JIRA Service Management. So, but the both are same. So, if they call like JIRA Service Desk or JIRA Service Management, is both are same. So, these projects will be used for ticketing tools, or else support projects. Okay. So ticketing tracking tool means like in the organizations. So for help desk projects level, so we will use it for these tools, or else any support projects, like if any project is developed and they release to the marketplace, and if customers want any requirement, any changes on that, any questions that they have, like they will raise a request. So this kind of project, so it will be used for this thing. So first of all, this license is different. So what we have purchased for Jira service, Jira software, the same will not work for Jira service management. Okay, so like if we go to administrator application, so we can see these versions and licenses here, right? Versions and license. So what we are using Jira software 9.44. So when we are install Jira software, business project and software projects, we can see like as of now installed this one. So if I go to the projects, create a project, so I can see business and software. So business projects completely like only the project settings. Okay, so it's a very simple one. Basic software also is the same project settings. The next Scrum and Kanban are project settings with the board setting. Scrum Kanban, which is used for agile methodology, like agile methodology level, so the teams will be used it. Okay. uh like service desk projects only, like is a customer support project, so we can handle. So example, like if you go to any plugins, like I'll go to the JSU for Jira. So this we are using, right? So if I go to this plugin, so I'm using this plugin instead of like with me also, like almost 18,015 people are using. So it means this 18,000 peoples or customers. Okay. But in the suppose if I raise any request here, so example, I have some question, so I'll go to the support. I'll click on support, submit support request. If I click on this, so first the sign in will be asked, like don't know, like I have this sign in or not. So this is their customer portal. So this is their Jira, and in their Jira, so they are using this customer service, like a Jira services project. So this is the portal looks like. Suppose if I have any questions, okay, so I'll just click on like app for Atlas and support, because this is vendor with an app file. So this is app for Jira. So if I click on this anything, so what I am looking for, so I will write this problem and clear details view, so that they will reply to me. So now here what happening, who are raising a request here, so those are the customers, and who are supporting, who are replying to me from the app file. Okay, so who are working with this JSU automation support, they'll call as a supporters or agent. Suppose maybe 50 people are supporting. Okay, so these 50 people are, we can call in the Jira like agents, like this is the supporters. Okay, so this is general word, will immediately like recognize supporters or customers. And in the Jira, like this, the same supporter we call as the agent. But here, we no need to purchase license for this 18,000 peoples. We can purchase the license for only supporters, because who are going to raise a request from this customer portal, they no need a licensed access. Okay, so without licensed persons also can able to log in and they can raise a request. Only agents and who are supporting to the projects need this license, service desk license. Okay, so our case, like we will see like how it will work. Example, I'll create one user first. I will create a user, maybe like a customer. So I'm not providing any permission. So I'll click on the user. So as you know, like this customer is don't have any permission means if I click on login, what will happen? Customer, and I will enter admin password, customer admin, then click on login. Same, we don't have permissions to login. So because in the Jira software, to log in, definitely we need required this application access, like a licensed access. Then only we can able to log in. That is a Jira software thing. As of now, I have only Jira software, so that if any user don't have a permission, like application permission, so they are not able to log in it. Okay, but example, this customer is joined recently and he want to Jira access only. So, but how we can enter to Jira? No, so Jira only, like everything supporting level, they are using Jira, this only, Jira only. So I want Jira access. For Jira access also, our team is or organization using anything to raise a request in Jira only. But how I need to log into the Jira to raise a request, that I need a Jira access, I need a some Power BI access, I need Slack access, whatever. Okay, so to be entered to first Jira, we required a this application access. So I cannot log in, I cannot create a ticket. So it is blocked. So, but every organizations like they will use maximum Jira Service Desk or any other tools to ticketing tracking, like ticketing tracking purpose. So, but if they use Jira, if they want to use Jira also, so we need to install that Jira Service Management within the Jira. And so if the team is already install it and we can use it directly. But here I'll tell you how to install. So we can install like two levels. First is within Jira software. So like if you have already Jira software, so still we can install Jira Service Management. Very simple process. Just go to the application. So I have already Jira software. So the process is just click on these applications and then up versions and licenses. The right side you can see try it for free. Okay, so if you click on try it for free, so it will install automatically. And second options we have in the same page, we have a upload an application. So upload an application means the same, like sorry, Jira service management. The pricing also, we'll see the pricing also. If you click on this pricing, sorry, yeah. So as I told you, so they're saying like it's a cloud. So cloud one. So if it is up to 3 users only free. If you're more than 3 agents, we need to use it for standard or premium or enterprise or anything. And if you click on data center also, so it will start from 50 agents. So normal Jira software will start from 500, but this is 50 agent will be start 50 agent like 17,200. This is per year. Okay. So same thing, like if you click on this cloud also, it will be changed whenever you enter the numbers, like if I enter suppose 30, so per user 18.38. This is a monthly. If I click on annually, so this is 8650, this 21,500 like this. Okay. So what are the options we have? What is like all will be available here. Okay. So this is the pricing is different and we need to purchase same as it is, like get it for free, or we can purchase it based on our requirement. Okay. So once it is like purchase the licenses, like if it is installed. So suppose if I go to here, same license versions and licenses same. Okay. And I'll go to JIRA service management download. So this is the same how we downloaded JIRA software. It's not much differences, but this is 345, that is 789. Okay, 345 here we have how we have like here. So 4345. So if you click on show details, so this comparisons is exactly same as it is like how we installed like JIRA software. Like example, if I click on get started, if I don't have like a JIRA software, okay, second, without software, without JIRA software, without JIRA software, we need to download the same from here. So like which version we want to, we are trying to install, that version we need to download it, and same as it is how we are how we are install like database installations or Java, and installation like set installation folder or application data folder and port number setup, everything is same. But once this installation is completed, if you open your JIRA, when you click on a project, business will become and service desk will come, but software will not come. Okay, so the business is same for all the projects. The installation is same as without JIRA software. JIRA software install setup same like JIRA software. And in the JIRA software, like once you install JIRA with JIRA software equals to business plus software. So JIRA service management is business plus service. Okay, so like this will come. So they'll ask you interview questions like how to install JIRA service desk or service management. So that case we can tell them like if you have a JIRA software, so we can install from the application place. I'll tell you the process now. And if you don't have JIRA service software already, so we can download the JIRA service management with a respective version. The same versions we need to check this application like a proper supported platforms like database and Java setup. And once our property file is set up, like we need to download the software, we need to install same like how we install JIRA software. Okay, and okay, so but when you have already JIRA software, if you go down, so instead of the same place, instead of click on or something, so we have your options below. Already have JIRA software or core? Yes, we have, right? So then click on this. So this will be installed exactly same compatibility version. Example 944 we have. So 944 means like 544, I think. Yeah, see. This is a JIRA software, exactly the versions. What we are using, JIRA 944. Okay. This is the versions I need to install. 544 I need to install. The same like all is same. Suppose if I'm using 827, 427, 826, 426, and 819, 419. Same like 8.13.7, 4.13.7. So exactly comfortability version only will be support when we have that. So when we have Jira software within a Jira within a Jira software, the first option is second option. Okay, so first is if I click on this download, so it will be downloaded Jira Service Desk app. So this is looks some little differences. Okay, so this is looks like app APK like OBR format or something. So what we need to do? So if you are here, upload an applications, choose a file. So what file I need to choose, which I've downloaded 544. Then click on open. Then if I click on upload. So now if I click on upload, so it will be upload automatically. That's it. Like if installation is done. Okay, so very simple process. The second options what we have like try it for free. Suppose if you are worried about like I need to open these versions or service desk service management versions history, I need to select the compatibility version, I need to click on download, then upload. So this is obviously is a length process, but I don't want this length process. I need to click on very simple process. The simple process is only the first options, like go to applications and right side we can see Jira Service Desk, try it for free, right? This is the application place, versions and license. Here, the right side down, we can see Jira Service Management, try it for free. So just click on it, try it for free, then accept. So it will be installed automatically. So Jira Service Management installation is very simple process when we have Jira software. And if you don't have software, just like download the same like how we are downloaded, how we are set up Jira software, the same, exactly same as it is. There is no differences. Okay. So, but maximum like we need to use like long-term support in a case in the organization level. If they ask your opinions, you just suggest them like long-term support. So just download it and run it that as administrator. So same setup, everything is same. Okay. But maximum installations will not come because in every organization already they have a Jira and they have already set up. So the setups will not come like only 1 or 2% only will be, but 99 percentage like already the Jira will be set up in organizations. Okay. Yeah. But now when I'm uploading an application, so I've selected the versions 544, then I try to upload it. But when I click on this try it for free, which version will be downloaded? The latest is very high. So latest is high or low, it's not a matter. Like Jira, this Jira service management will be installed automatically, which is compatibility with the Jira software 944. So now it will be installed 544 automatically, which is that is a comfortability version. Let's see. Yeah. See, guys, this Jira Service Management was successfully installed. See, it's installed like a 544, which is comfortability version of 944. So it is automatically take that comfortability version and it will be installed. So once it is installation is done, so the right side that option will be disappear like the trade for fee because we are already done. So whenever suppose if you are uninstall it, if you click on uninstall here, so it will be automatically appear here again. Okay, so but as of now we are installed it, but we are not in like pasted any licenses here. So we are not generate the licenses. But how to generate the licenses? So anytime in the futures, if Jira software also is expired and the Jira service management new generation also, we need to come this place like admin console and applications and versions and licenses. The next you can see manage license option. So open this. So just I'm telling this is going to expire 11th May. So maybe your case also 11th or 12th or 13th, maybe it's going to expire. So that time, so how we need to extend the licenses? Same this pattern. Just come to this place, click on manage licenses. And here you can see like licenses, which is related to cloud. And if you click on trial, so which is my all trial licenses, what I have here. Okay, so this places exactly like this is my email ID. Same the login page, the Atlassian myatlassian.com will be open when we click on this manage licenses. Here you can see new trial license again. Okay, so click on this new trial license and select the product. So my case now I'm going to generate for Jira service management. Uh, Jira Service Management. But if you want to extend the licenses for Jira software, you must select here Jira software. Okay. So my case here, I'm selecting Jira Service Management. Then I'm selecting Jira Service Management data center. Then I need to enter organization names. That is fine. Now I need to select like, when you are selecting Jira software, you need to select like up and running. Okay, so anything that the service ID is important. Where we get the service ID, but normal organization level we will get it that in the system. First you go to the system, admin console, system place, and it's very slow, system info. Hmm, okay, we'll do one thing, so maybe have here. Hmm, I'll open the new tab, trial licenses. So this is my current Jira, like 11th May is going to expire, right? So here also I allocated my service ID, server ID, where we have that. So this is the cloud. Okay, it will not. Uh, hmm, if you could open your same Jira data center. So this is already expired in the Jan only, but my I think I've generated with other account. So that's why it's not showing. But your case, you can get it the same from this system info, but it is taking some time to open the system info. So that's why I'm taking from here. Just I open the new tab again. So if I open my data center licenses, I can see SCA number and service ID. So we can enter the service ID the same here. It will be supported, whatever it is, but let me show you like the system info. Why it's not opening correct? Okay, I'll show you like once it is open. So, but once you enter the service ID, then click on generate license. So the license is generated. So now I need to copy this and paste it license, update license. So now it's done that 1st June 2023 is expiring date. So this is what the process how to install. Okay. So now if I click on projects creations, create projects, see the software we know already. Okay. Next business also earlier, but now it is included service. Okay. So when we installed a service desk within the Jira software, so all type of projects we have available. Okay. So now if I click on this, if I log in, if I try to log in with the same account like customer and admin, we'll see like whether it is login or not. Yes, now it is login. Now it is login, but you guys can see this URL localhost 8080. It is taking to me service desk customer portal because first of all, when user is trying to Jira's when we have a Jira service management, when we have first the user account will be verified whether the user is having permission or not. If permission is there, it will log into directly to the Jira. If the user is don't have, it will take the users to the customer portal. Okay, so let me just clarify like here. User we have. Okay, next portal. Portal means customer portal. Okay, then Jira. Then we can see like here user management. Okay, so what happened like when any user is trying to log in to the Jira. Okay, so he enter one username and password. If user is having a permissions, okay, so then the user will automatically take to the Jira. But if the user don't have any permissions, like you don't have like application access permission or what, so it will take to the portal only. Okay, so if the user is have, like, that's why I'm just click on into symbol. So this symbol like you don't have permissions. When the user is don't have permission, the his request will take to the portal. If suppose the user is having permission, it will take him to the Jira. So example, this user, the customer user don't have permission, that's why it is taking here. But suppose if the user is having a permissions, okay, so the user is having a permissions like example like Kumar Gautam, earlier we have provided that access. Suppose if I log in with this Kumar account or something, Kumar like admin. So now what will happen? It will be take automatically to the Jira because this Kumar having permissions, right? It will obviously will be open Jira and whatever work he is having, so he can do it here. So Jira will be open. So, but if the user is don't have a permission, so it will automatically take him to the portal. So if I open this customer and admin, see, so it will take him to the portal. So this is what here I'm telling. Like if user is having a permissions, it will take to the Jira. If don't have the portal. Okay, so this is simple. But when we user is having Jira permissions, if the person want to open portal also, so he can open it. Like from the Jira itself, he can open the portal also. That is no problem at all. So I'll tell you like how it will be open everything. Okay. So now the installation is completed. Okay. So then what I'll do, I'll just create a one projects. Okay. So as of now, I don't have anything like welcome to the help center, but looks like you don't have any project in help center like that. So what we'll do here, I'll just go to the projects. I'll click on software, Jira Service Management, then click on next. So first we will discuss like IT service management, then the both are easily. So this is little critical, but apart from that, if you are good with this, these both are same. Okay. So you'll click on IT service management, then click on next. So if you click on this name, so if it is asking name means like what I'll provide. I'll enter Jira support only. The project is there already. So anytime in the Jira, if you want to create a project, the same name it will be accepted, but key will not accept. Okay, project with that name is already exist. So same it is asking exactly. Mm, Capgemini Jira support. Okay, so now it will be. I'll just submit it. But normally all our Jira support project also will be in the service desk only. Okay, so earlier I created in the business, but it should be in the Jira service desk only. That's the case only. Every person can log into the portal and they can raise a request. Okay. So guys, do you understand why we need Jira service desk and instead of can't we use same type of projects in the Jira software? We can use it, but see now the case is here 18,000. Suppose my organization same 15,000 people are there. Okay, 15,000 people are there, and this service management projects like example like we have LDS project like who are working with the HRs and Gmail team and IT support team. So total this all people are internal peoples. Total I think 500 peoples are there. Okay. If I use it Jira software service desk for supporting projects, these 15,000 people are the customers. They'll raise a request. So the 15,000 maybe they have related to HR question. They have a question with Gmail. They have question with IT support. They have question with blah, any so etc. team in the organization. So the all the internal teams is a 500. So now if I use Jira service desk, I need to purchase license for only 500 peoples, not 15K. So if 15K, if they have Jira access, Jira software or not, I don't want that. So coming to Jira service that this 15,000 people are the customers and 500 for the agents like supporters. I need to purchase license for only 500 people, not 15K. But if I use it same, if Jira software project, if I used, if they want to log into the Jira, if they want to raise any request, I need to purchase license for total now 15,000 people, 15,500 I need to purchase. I need to purchase the licenser for 15,500 people. I need to purchase now. Okay, but if I use Jira software, okay, so but how this Jira service management is accepting means Jira service management is enabling this customer portal. Okay, so this is a user, this is a portal, this is a Jira. To user log into the Jira need access, but user log into the customer portal no need any licensed one. So this is a free. The line is free. That's why without permission also is able to log in. So from portal the person is raise a request to the Jira projects. So the agent will be reply to this from the Jira. So the same will be go to the portal to the user. Okay, user if don't have access, he wants some support, he will raise from the customer portal. The same will go to the Jira, and from Jira the agent will be replaced. So it will be come to the portal. The same the user can able to visible it. Okay, so this is the process, and we'll see like real time request timeout. Sometimes like request timeout also the projects will be create. We'll see view all projects. Okay, so this you need to verify. Sometimes it will be happen. Capgemini Jira support. See, the project is created. So if I click on it, so have a project here. The projects obviously looks completely is different. So we'll see like we'll discuss one by one. Like if I go to this place now, if I click on refresh, See, this is enabled. So this is the customer portal. Okay, so obviously if I remove this customer portal also, the customer portal like this URL is little different is like service desk, have customer portal and portal one. So only have one project, so one will be open obviously. This is the projects CSS something. So this is a Jira. Okay, so as I told you, this is a Jira look and this is a portal look. But how it will be go to like which request I've raised, like as of now I don't have access, this still this customer is don't have access, but he needs some help. Okay, so example, this is if I logged in some default settings, I've seen it, common request, login and accounts. Okay, so computers, okay, desktop and laptop, something applications. So some default request I have. So what I'll do is here, so I'll just click on some anything like a desktop and laptop support. Okay, so what I'll do, uh, see, let's discuss on this. Get IT help desk. Okay, so get help. Need zero access. So request like this. Create. So once is created here, the same ticket is created CJS2. Okay. If I what will happen if I click on it, is nothing happen. So is a customer is raised. See, a customer creator is a customer. So what will happen? So who are we are supporting here? So we are open this service desk projects. So the ticket is here. See CJ2. If I click on it, this. So now the ticket is here. What is need Jira access? And I joined recently as per my project. I need the demo access. So we'll assign to us like I'm going to work on it. So I just assign it and waiting for support means I'll just click on like in progress. Then I started my work. So how to provide users to particular projects access? First, the user who requested, this customer requested. So this customer having Jira software access is demo is a which project? Software project. So first I need to check what this customer is having Jira software license access or not. If not there, I need to add this user into Jira software access, Jira like software access I need to provide like in application access group I need to add. The next I need to open this demo project. In the demo project roles and roles place I need to add this user. So then he can able to log in. So first provide demo, we need to check the project type. If it is a demo, what is the type of project? Software. So the person should be Jira software licensed access. Then we need to open the demo projects. We need to add the persons into demo project roles. Then it's done. Once it is done, so we will provide it. Suppose if I enter provided, then if I share with the customer, comment internally. Suppose if I click on comment internally, so this comment will not appear in the desk customer portals if we cannot see it. Okay, but if I enters like provided project access, share with the customer. So when I click on share with the customer, so that will be here. See, provided a project access. So customer still can able to see it. As I told you, like if user is raise a request in the portal, it will come to the Jira. If Jira agent will reply it, so it will be show on the portal. Okay, the user will get notification also. And if you changed any status here in progress, so we can see here this person is changed to your request changed to in progress. Suppose if I requested this to any like resolve this issue resolutions, like it's done. I don't want to link any issue. This is resolution screen by default is available, so that's coming, it's resolved. So if I click on this customer portal also, this resolved with the resolution is done. Okay, so resolved. And if I'm the administrator, so this is my Jira view, but is it possible to open my case the customer portal? Yes, we can see like this type is like service request, but if you see this is a related to customer. So what this user is selected, user is selected IT help, right? So the information I can see here, service project request type, get IT help, customer status is resolved, and channel is the portal. If I click on view customer request, this request is open for my case. My case, like this is administrator, my account, but still I can open, see this customer view also. See, this is the customer actual view, which is from customer open. The same look I can able to open it. But only the customer cannot click on the CJS2. Like if I click on it, is nothing open because the customer don't have Jira access. But I have a Jira access, I can see this. If I click on this, my Jira will be open again. So if I'm in the Jira, so I can say like as an administrator, as an agent, I can open the customer portal ticket. I can open the Jira ticket also. Both I can see it. So this is the Jira ticket. This is the customer ticket. So both I can see it. Okay, so based on my requirement, if I want to see portal also, I can see it. Okay, so something you have in mind that only we need to create a tickets from customer portal, or can't we create in the Jira directly? Yes, suppose the user is having Jira access, they can raise a request from the Jira itself. Example, I log out these customer users. I log into the Kumar. So now Kumar account also can see here. So because I'm directly open the service portal and I just logged in, that's why. But still I can remove this if I enter. So Jira will be open. And if I click on create button, suppose Kumar already in the Jira, so he can able to create it or not. Yes, he can able to create it, but the Kumar is don't have a create issue permission, I think. Yes, only agents only can create it. Suppose if I click on create button, I can get it this Capgemini Jira support projects. I can suppose I can enter like test what we need and we can create it. But the persons also want to create a Jira from the service desk ticket from the Jira. The person should be the respect to permissions. I'll tell you like later. So how the permission will be work. So, but I've seen like the ticket is created three. So this is the three tickets resolved recently. So only differences you can see compared to this ticket and this ticket, looks everything same. Like I've created a task, it looks like same, but you can see service project request type is no match. Channel is Jira. So sometimes the people they will ask you like, hey Jira administrator, I'm not able to see this ticket in a service desk portal. Why? So if the ticket is created within a Jira, okay, so this ticket is created within a Jira, we cannot we cannot see the same in service portal, because the ticket is created Jira only. We can see within the Jira only. Example, this ticket you can see like service desk request type is get IT help desk, and customer status is resolved, and channel is portal. So which ticket is created from the portal, it is having service request type, so that we can see it. But within created in the Jira, it will not link to service this service desk. Okay, so within the Jira, we can see it. Suppose few people they request from customer portal, few people they will request from here, but which ticket is created in the within the Jira, it will not show on the portal. So it will be in the Jira only. Okay, so we can request, we can add a comment and same as it is. Because if the user is reporter is administrator, all right? So administrator have already having Jira access, he no need to verify in the customer portal any comments or any status. He don't want to check in the customer portal because he's having Jira access. He will check in the Jira. If this user is don't have permission in the Jira, so he will verify everything. He will check everything in the portal. But my case, I have a Jira access. I will create a raise a request here, so I can check that what is the status everything in within the Jira itself. Right. So this is okay. So this is like how the service desk will be installed and how it will be work. But so tomorrow we will discuss like how to set up this projects, a portal or Jira portal, everything. So here we have little advanced again. Okay, so we need to discuss about like how to Jira project setup and how to portal setup also. As of now, we have seen all is a default one, right? So we need to discuss. We need to know like how that complete setup also will be work tomorrow. Okay.